Hello, my name is Ping. Today, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up and run any virtual machines for free using VirtualBox. First of all, let's download VirtualBox from their official website. Make sure that you download the package that is meant for your operating system. For my case, I am using Windows 11 in this installation guide. Follow through the steps in the installation wizard. You would want to install the network interfaces and any missing dependencies as prompted. Looks like the installation has been completed. As an example, we will try to import the Cubetrees Level 1 VM. As shown, there is no supported files because it only has the VMX file for VMware Workstation. No worries, I got your back. Let us browse to the OVF2 folder. We want to run the OVF2 over here, so hold Ctrl Shift and right click to open a terminal. Run the command as shown to create an equivalent OVF file as the VMX file provided. Note that we need to create this OVF file here because it is the file format that is supported by VirtualBox. Otherwise, as shown earlier, it is unable to open a VMX file. And it's done. Now, try to import the VM again. Select the OVF file that you have created just now. Click on Finish and you can now launch the VM on VirtualBox. There you go, Cubetrees Level 1. This concludes the steps on how to set up and run any virtual machines using VirtualBox. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.